Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 5 of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. In our previous episodes, we aligned your internal system, the physical, emotional, mental, and light bodies. Now that your vessel is prepared, we turn our gratitude upward. Today, we are acknowledging the invisible team, your higher self, your spirit guides, and the guardian angels who work tirelessly behind the scenes. We often come to these guides with requests, asking for help, signs, or answers. But today, we are simply coming to say thank you. Thank you for the protection we didn't see. Thank you for the redirection when we were off path. This vibration of gratitude strengthens your connection to them, making their guidance easier to hear in the future. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Let's connect. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, your spiritual guides, your guardian angels, and the collective angelic team aligned with love, clarity, and truth to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Allow only energies aligned with the highest good. And support this meditation with guidance, healing, and clarity with full respect for free will. You don't need to see anything. You don't need to hear anything. Just allow the quiet sense that you are supported and watched over. Now, allow yourself to arrive. You don't need to believe anything. You don't need to be certain. Just allow yourself to be open enough to receive support. If doubt is present, that is welcome too. There is no right way to experience guidance. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice how it flows in and flows out without effort. Feel the physical body being supported, held by the earth, by gravity, by life itself. Let the body soften enough to allow trust, even if only a little. Notice the emotional tone within. Perhaps there is hope, longing, uncertainty, or neutrality. Whatever is present is welcome. Allow the emotional body to relax its guard, knowing it does not need to carry everything alone. Thoughts may arise, questions, expectations, images. Let them drift through awareness without chasing answers. For this moment, the mind does not need to figure out guidance. It only needs to allow the possibility of support. Now gently shift your attention to something more subtle, the part of you that has always known when something felt right or not right, the quiet inner wisdom that guided you even when you didn't realize it at the time. This is your higher self working alongside guides, guardians, and loving intelligences dedicated to your growth and protection. Begin by sensing this field of support around you. You don't need to picture it. Just notice the feeling of being accompanied, guided, and protected. And gently, silently, or out loud, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you to my higher self for guiding me when I felt confused. Thank you for the inner nudges, the feelings, the quiet knowing that helped me choose. Thank you to my spiritual guides for walking beside me through every chapter of my life. Thank you for the lessons I didn't understand at the time and the clarity that arrived later. Thank you to my guardian angels for protection I never saw. Thank you for the paths I didn't take, the harm that was quietly redirected, the moments where something stopped me or moved me another way. Thank you to the collective angelic team for surrounding my life with support beyond my awareness. If there have been times you felt abandoned, lost, or alone, allow gratitude to gently reach those memories too, not to rewrite them, but to soften them. Thank you for staying with me, even when I doubted. Now notice how gratitude creates space, not excitement, not intensity, just a quiet sense of being held. Allow this support to settle into the body, the emotions, the mind, not as something external, but as something always present. This gratitude is now known to your spiritual body as trust and alignment. It is known to your mental body as reassurance. It is known to your emotional body as comfort. And it is known to your physical body as protection. This connection is gently sealed across all 4 bodies. When you feel ready, begin to sense the space around you, the room, the sounds, the body resting here. There is no separation between guidance and daily life. Bring this sense of support with you into your choices, into your timing, into your next step. You have never been navigating life alone. Guidance does not always arrive as answers. Sometimes it arrives as protection, sometimes as redirection, sometimes as a feeling that says, not this way. You can return to this connection anytime, just by pausing and remembering you are supported. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me. Connecting with your spiritual team is like building a muscle. The more gratitude you offer them, the clearer the channel becomes. Take notice over the next few days. You might see repetitive numbers, find a feather, or just feel a sudden wave of peace. These are their ways of saying you are welcome. In our next episode of this series, we will bring all this energy down to earth. We will explore gratitude for relationships, using this high vibration to heal and harmonize your connections with the people around you. Please subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel so you don't miss the upcoming meditation. I'm Derek, and I will see you in the next episode.